You guys are not going to want to miss the results I received from using the rice water on my hair. Literally, it's mind-blowing. I did a 7-day rice water challenge for extreme hair growth. I used rice water on my hair for 7 days straight to see if my hair could grow. So I want to show you guys how I made my rice water. I'm also going to show you guys live footage of the 7 days that I used rice water on my hair. And lastly, I want to show you guys the results I received from using the rice water for 7 days. So if you guys are interested in seeing, make sure you guys stay tuned throughout the entire video. You guys are not going to want to miss it. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my videos. So let's go ahead and get into it. First, let me start by giving you guys a quick background on rice water. The Yao women are known for having the longest hair in the world, and they credit it to using fermented rice water on their hair. The Yao women believe that their beautiful hair is strong, shiny, smooth, and super long due to the fermented rice water. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how I made the rice water. It's super easy. What's up, you guys? So it's going to be day 1 of the rice water for extreme hair growth. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in to show you guys these edges right here that low-key ran away. So this is what my edges is looking like, and I will post up pictures either in the thumbnail. Hope you guys can see. Like, my edges did not used to be this thin, like, no. So that's why I'm trying this rice water challenge. I have my mirror here, so yeah, you guys can see how it's looking. Like, these edges need to go ahead and phone home like ET, because this is not popping. My main focus is like trying to regrow my edges back by using rice water. So yeah, but I'm also going to check and see if it grows the length of my hair as well. So yeah, I have my rice water here. It's rice water, peppermint oil, and I had strawberries in there. And let me see how it smells. It smells a little funky, but I can totally tell that the peppermint oil is trying to mask the smell, attempting to mask the smell. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So this is what my hair looks like. I am 100% natural. So I already have a section of hair out, and I'm going to go ahead and measure it using a Sharpie and just my white t-shirt, and we're gonna see if my hair is going to grow. So this is day 1, and you guys are gonna see where my hair falls on this white shirt, and we're gonna just pull it, and let's see, I'll say right here. So that's the line. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and apply the rice water, and hopefully we see some results. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I have my towel here because I know I'm gonna make a mess. Hopefully you guys stay tuned throughout the entire video to see by day 7 if the rice water has grown my hair. So I'm making sure I get the rice water in there really good. So I have the rice water all over my hair. This is day 1. And I'm trying to just do a small little clips of each day so you guys can see like what I'm doing, how I'm doing it. And that is it. So I'm going to go ahead and put a plastic cap over my hair for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna let the rice water sit for 30 minutes each day. And then I'm simply just gonna rinse it out. I have like high hopes, like literally like something has to give because these edges has to grow back, like seriously. After 30 minutes of letting the fermented rice water sit on my hair, I just simply rinsed out the fermented rice water, and I did this each day for 7 days. I just want to show you guys what that looks like really quick. If you guys are liking this video so far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel and hit that bell notification. I totally put my rice water in the refrigerator because I've seen that it stops the fermentation, which helps stop the smell. So yeah, put my rice water in the fridge. And this is day 2. So I went ahead and put my hair into these twists. I found that it works better when my hair is twisted up than having my hair out loose. So I went ahead and put my hair into a few twists. I will show you guys. And I still have my original hair that I measured on the first day of doing the rice water challenge. So yeah, I didn't want to mix it up and I want to give you guys an accurate results. So yeah, I still have that one separated from the rest of the twists. So there you go. So I'm going to wash my hair with the twist in. So yeah, I will be keeping my hair just like this for the remainder of the 7 days. So I am focusing the rice water on my scalp. As you know, your hair grows from your scalp. So that's where I'm focusing the rice water. I'm also putting it on the length of my hair as well. And I am massaging my scalp, as you guys can see, in circular motions. I'm paying more attention to my problem areas, which is around my hairline. These edges got to come back. They totally disappeared on me like Houdini, and I need them back. So yeah. Right here, I'm just showing you guys I had to re-up on my rice water. So I let my rice water sit for 24 hours. So now it is fermented rice water. Oh my gosh, you guys, my hair looks super, super, super shiny. And it's definitely the rice water. Like, oh my gosh, just check out the shine. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ah, it's so cold. This water is so cold on my head. Oh my gosh. Making sure I get my scalp really, really good. So after my last rice water rinse, I went ahead and shampooed my hair. I also conditioned it. I absolutely love this conditioner. I will leave everything in the description box down below. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I use, you can see it there. And I followed up with a great deep condition for a few hours. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I shampoo and deep condition my hair, that video would be at the very end. It's 7 days later. So actually today is the 8th day. So it's the morning after my last rice water rinse. So This is the part that I had measured in the day 1. So we're gonna go ahead and measure it again. And I'm super excited. I cannot wait to see the results. I've seen so many people do this challenge on YouTube, so your girl had to jump on the bandwagon. You already know what it is. So I got my mirror right here, so I am checking it out right now. Let me scoop back for you guys. And we are checking to see. Oh, hold on, let's see. Oh my gosh. Hold on, let me get close so you guys can see. You guys see that freaking difference in 7 days? 7 days. So let's see about these edges, because that was the main reason why I wanted to join in on the rice water challenge for extreme hair growth, is to see if my edges will grow back, sis. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a bun really quick, so you guys can get a full look of how my edges are. Okay, so I'm going to get an up close look. Hope you guys can see that. Comment below if you think the rice water grew my edges. I know I still have some ways to go, and this was the most damaged side. So yeah, comment below, let me know if you guys see a difference as far as my edges. But you guys have already seen, like, yes, the length of my hair definitely grew a grip in only 7 days. So like, I am super excited. So again, you guys, rice water contains protein, so I wouldn't recommend doing this too often. So I'm gonna give my hair a break, probably like 2 to 3 weeks before I even put any rice water again onto my hair, because it's gonna be too much protein. It's gonna cause a protein overload. So keep that in mind. That is it. Thank you guys so much. If you guys are interested in seeing how I wash and deep condition my hair, I will put it right here somewhere. But thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys later. I'm so excited, like you guys don't even know.